Okay, so anyone who's going to say that it might be my breath or air turning it, this is what happens when I blow on it.
To walk places, allegedly. The flip side of that is diffusionism. It is, I'm over
and I'll do...
famous Norwegian archaeologist.
That's what happens when I do that directly on it. And I'm sitting fairly far away from this area. Sorry for my cluttered table. But I have a life and I work. I do have a job. And I'm trying to develop these skills in my off time.
I mean, the whole idea that oceans are barriers.
Yeah. So, yeah, those deep breaths you hear me taking are me breathing off to the side. I'm breathing, like, over there.
Would take generations. Where, in fact, being in a boat would be much faster, safer, easier to go places. And, I mean, in fact, oceans are highways, not barriers. Getting to a boat and going someplace is an easy way to go places. Ancient Egypt was an unusual country.
I'm surprised it wants to go clockwise now. As soon as I say that, you want to go clockwise. Oh, where you want to go? Where you want to go?
And you can have a port city.
So it is like really fickle. Like every time I change my mind or I'm unsure of where I want it to go, it'll stop. Go left, go right, go left, right, left, right.
India to Sri Lanka,
go clockwise.
And of course to Pacific Islands.
Go counterclockwise. I demand it.
I mean, it's kind of interesting how archaeologists think, particularly the isolationists. One of the stories in the Bible.
So, like, I don't even need my hand, really. At this point, I feel like my connection's pretty stable with it. Go counterclockwise.
They would leave from the lot on the Red Sea, and they would go for one entire year, and out somewhere past.
Yeah, this is me, like, being indecisive and unsure, and my belief system's, like, changing in my head. But as I speak, like, and sort of, like, allow it to go. Go, like... The more I force it, the more it doesn't want to cooperate. Like when I start talking and get distracted, it'll totally start going. And now I'm focusing on that little man figure I see in the pyramid. Right there. What looks like a face. Now go.
Huh. They went to Somalia or some area like that in East Africa. Well, there's a problem with that, and that is that, I mean, those places are only...
So it's so reactive to me changing my mind.
I mean, they're not even several weeks of voyaging and in actuality. In a year,
let's go clockwise.
The ancient Phoenicians and Hebrews...
And it's like it has my defiant personality. If I tell it to go in a direction, it'll be like, how about I go the opposite way? Right? It's because you're defiant like me. You're a little extension of me, aren't you? Defiant little shit. Go the right way. What's the right way to go?
Many other ancient civilizations, they were going out into the ocean.
Yeah.
They were going out into the Pacific.
Go slow. Go so slow. Go really slow.
And megaliths on remote Pacific islands.
Go as slow as you can.
There's this giant city built out of basalt crystal.
I'm trying reverse psychology on it because I'm such a defiant little bitch. But now, because I want it to go as fast as I can get it to go, because I got it to go so fast earlier when I wasn't really thinking about it. All right, you wanna really challenge yourself and go very fast, side wheel? Can we do that? Why are you making this little face look at me all the time?
This incredible city. I mean, it's actually built into the ocean.
Yeah, that face.
So even on the island, they don't know who built this. I mean,
all right, so let's Go fast.
Where you have a remote island that has giant megalithic remains on it. But mainstream archaeologists their explanation is, well, these islanders just kind of got to this
Oh, no, that's probably hindering you.
And had nothing else to do, so they built these giant statues. They built this huge city.
Well, all right. In this particular case with the Egyptians ending up in the Grand Canyon, where would they have set sail from Egypt? Where do they land, and why walk or travel all the way to the Grand Canyon from there?
Well, that's interesting too. They may not have had to have walked all
Go as fast as you can.
Today, all of this area around here, Yuma, Palm Springs, very much the inland areas of Southern California and western Arizona. It is trackless desert. There's no rivers around there at all, except for the Colorado River running out of the Grand Canyon. In ancient times, and in my book on Lost Cities in North and Central America, I actually have maps and stuff in there of this. The whole West was much different in ancient times, and California especially. If you look at a good relief map of California, you can see instantly what it was like.
Oh, no, because I want it to go fast. It doesn't want to react because I want to do something very specific.
And all around Fresno, that's what they call the Central Valley. If ocean levels or California had just, had been shifted a little bit, that whole area would be flooded, not only from the Golden Gate area, but also up from the south, the Salton Sea, areas like that. And in fact, there were Finger Lakes already going up into Nevada. Some years ago, I did a show for the Discovery Channel and the Learning Channel, and it was all about giants and the legends and lore of giants. They flew me to Reno, where we went to Lovelock, Nevada, which is right here where they do.
I'm having, when my belief systems falter and I start considering too many things, the side wheel gets very confused and doesn't know what to do. It's like there's too many conflicting energies on it. But if I try to direct it like this, like if I'm actually doing a symbol or doing something specific to get it to do what I want, it will cooperate. Although I'm not sure why it's... There we go. Now you can keep going. Oh, now it's just picking up on my energy and reflecting my defiance.
You couldn't do that today. Try and go by boat from the ocean to look like.
So there is ways to affect it with air.
That's right. So their legend was that these.
But I don't really think that's affecting turn.
Even that area around Lovelock, there's still some lakes that are drying up today, and there's just some marshes there that are the remains of these ancient lakes.
Now that it's moving, right now, this is me moving it. There's no air currents in my house. There's nothing blowing.
Millions of years ago, when in fact these lakes couldn't have been that long ago because the Indians still had legends and stuff of it. It was only some hundreds of years ago, maybe 1,000 or something like that. Well, so then.
All right. So you're just gonna point at me. You want to go? You want to spin? All right. So let's spin.
Decoys, baskets, all kinds of hunting and fishing tools for a large lake, and then incredibly, they found a number of skeletons, and these skeletons were like 7-foot tall people. They had long red hair. They dragged like a dozen of these skeletons out of the cave. This all was around the turn of the century. Get this, George. There are 2.
Why is it? Because I want you to.
In Nevada today, one in Lovelock, one in Winnemucca. Those museums are.
Go counterclockwise. What are you doing?
That were found in Lovelock Cave. The excavations
Counterclockwise.
California and Berkeley actually did
Counterclockwise.
Came out of these caves. People at the museum.
You're gonna go counterclockwise.
Ranchers stand on a crane holding one of these giants by the hair.
Any theories, people?
This thing is huge.
Yeah, this is certainly not air currents.
Person with red hair.
There are no air currents happening.
And here's the
Because
thing.
now it's going to go counterclockwise. You know?
Of that giant,
There's no alternating air currents in my house. It's just being affected by my fickle-ass consciousness and belief systems.
no one knows what the skeletons are.
And that was me breathing really hard.
Okay, and there's 2 museums.
And I swear to God, that did not affect it, because when I do breathe really hard, this is what happens. At it.
And then a triple one where there's apparently some kind of cover up, and these rather unusual items have just vanished.
So,
But you have these giants, they had red hair, they sound like Vikings or something like that, actually. And on top of that, they apparently were going by boat up into, the
this is it being just like connected to me and affected by my fickle thoughts and belief systems.
California has been drying up for several thousand years. These lakes have been drying up.
So I think this is how we as a collective affect weather systems and natural happenings, I guess, like earthquakes and weather systems. This is how we can direct our intentions and fight HARP or anyone else trying to like govern systems. Ugh. So if we as a collective are being fickle, it will be a little chaotic. But if we realize we need to like devote a certain amount of time or energy to meditate and get clear in what we want, we can direct it. So I'm going to do an experiment where I meditate and sort of like try to like set a program, which I already sort of have in like establishing that counterclockwise is its easiest direction to go. And I'll stop thinking about it and try to just program it to like, or like set it, like just go this direction, and I'm going to stop thinking about you now and see what it does.
But back in the late 1800s, this lake still existed, and it was a long lake.
Paying way too much attention to it now, although it's...
winter, this Palestine was taking a load of gold from some mines.
Yeah. Anyhow, so that'll be my next video. Let me know how you like these. Thanks. Bye.